Right here we have a light bulb 1157 amber, which is usually used for turn signals. To remove it, you don't necessarily need to unplug it, the electrical wire, but you do need to remove the socket from the headlight, which you do by turning the socket slightly. Right there it's unlocked, then you pull it straight out. To remove the light bulb, you press it in and you turn it like so, just a tiny bit, and you remove it. Now when you install the new light bulb, you need to pay attention to these little two pins, because as you notice here, one of them is higher and the other one is lower. So when you insert it in the socket, you might notice that you press it, but you can't turn it. So if that's the case, take it out and twist it 180 degrees, then reinsert it, then push it, and now you should be able to lock it in place. Now you reinstall the socket in the headlight. See, you gotta make sure that it's pushed all the way in, so then once it is seated properly, you twist it a little bit more until it locks. Make sure it's secure in the headlight. It shouldn't move or come out or anything like that.